Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to discuss another SQL problem, invalid tweets. So, write a solution to find the IDs of the invalid tweets. So, the tweet is invalid if the number of characters used in the content of the tweet is strictly greater than 15. So if it is greater than 15, return the result table in any order. So I have two tests here. So length 14 is valid. It is valid date, and length 32 it's an invalid date. So that's we need to find. So it's actually a straightforward question and easy to find. Let me take an exact solution and we will discuss based on that. So it's basically very easy without any resources we can find. I mean, so and also the multiple ways you can find. So the length property, the length that's a function. So we probably have a SQL learning session after we are discussing all of these problems. This problem is to refresh our knowledge about SQL. So after completing all of these problems, we probably have a extensive learning series for SQL. So that will come after we are solving these 50 problems. So we can, without any further ado, we can go to the solution part. So first I need to get the SQL schema as usual. Then I need to copy that and I need to paste it here. I need to remove the truncate one. Then I need to run this one. I did that and I need to run these two queries. That also is fine. Then we will write a select query. Select or from tweets. Okay. So this will be our query for the result. So I have two queries. So we are good in that sense. And then we are going to the where clause. So where clause we are using the length function. So and in tweets we have the content. So you need to take the content here and greater than 15. So in that extensive series on SQL that we are planning, we will discuss all of these functions. So right now we can just run this. So here where length is greater than 15. So this one actually, if the length is greater than 15, what exactly we need is, it is a validate, it is an invalidate. So output should be invalid tweet. You need to get the invalid tweet ID. So just a tweet ID. I don't need anything else. So tweet ID. So for the extensive series that we are planning, before that we will try to complete everything as soon as possible because we don't need to spend a lot of time on this kind of problem, because even though this will benefit, but the problem is, so where is my window, the code problem. here it is. So okay, so these things accepted and everything is fine, and we can move to the next question. So the next question is basic joins. So basically this category is select based SQLs, and this one basic joins. So probably we will have some better problems here comparing to the last session. So in this one, write a solution to show the unique ID of each user. If a user does not have a unique ID, replace just show null. So here replace employee ID with the unique identifier. So I have a ID and name employees table and employee unique ID table. So ID and unique ID. So you need to write a solution to show the unique ID for each user. If there is no unique ID, they need to get um, the null, just show null. So employee table, employee unique ID table here, and the output should be unique ID plus the name. So if there is no unique ID, we need to have a we need to have a null value there. So we can go to that solution. So probably we will have so many ways to solve this, but we will discuss only the one way, because this is actually the um, actually the basic join question. So what we are going to do is, since employee ID we need to show null if it is not there. So basically what is happening is, all the columns in the left side and the matching columns in the right side, if there is nothing on the left side, what is going to happen is, so it should be filled up with null values. So right join means all the columns in the right, and okay, so there is a things we need to understand. Left join against right join. So left, left join retrieve all the records and the data from the left table and all matching records from the right table. So if I have all the records means employee UNI. So 1, 2, 3, there's all records, and the matching columns Alice, Bob, Mayor, Winston, Jonathan. So that's all the records and the data from the right table and the matching record from the left table. Right, and so we need to understand that thing. So that's the first thing. So these are all basic questions. So we can understand with the following visual representation. There is a visual representation. So left join, we will have all the elements from the left table and the matching elements from the right table. So in this case, we can try both and let's see what's going to happen. So first thing, we need to have all these things, and thereafter we will do the coding part, and we will see how it represents in both cases. So basic idea about this problem is to understand the joins. So I guess it was better to go to the basic before we are solving these things. But basically, I started this thing, so I thought whatever I started, it's better to finish. Then we will go to the basics after that. Okay. So here I am running all the queries and it's inserted, and I need to get all the select statement. Select all from employees. So here I get all these things and select the next one. I will make it as a next. So I have all this. So what exactly I need is, so you need to go back to your problem right now. So what exactly they need output? So they need a unique ID and the name. So based on that, I can put these things into the first one. So I will get unique ID 123, but I need I need the other things also. So if I am using this one, let's see what's going to happen. So in this case, employees left join. So employee all the columns, employee UNI left join, employee UNI. So the first table is employee. So we need all the data from the employee and the null data from the unique ID. So this query will work. So how we will reach on this one? So we can do two ways. One is left join employees, and here left join, oh, not here. So here it's employees. Things are fine. Something is weird here. On. So we can use the same things here. Key, the key part. So we can run this and let's see what's going to happen in this case. So we can see all the columns from the unique ID table and only the employee columns from the other table. So if I put right join, or I will just swap between employee and employee UNI. In that case also we will get the same result. So you can use the right join. So right join with right join with uh, right join with employee UNI first and this one. So if I am copy and paste this solution into our, this probably will work. So let's see what's going to happen in this case. So it's accepted. So I am using right join. So I can do one more. I can use the left join with the other way around. So here run, this also will work. No, this is I am do okay. I took the wrong one. So here what I am exactly doing. So this is employee UNI right join. Okay, from employee UNI. But what I exactly need, left join employee unit. So here if I am pasting these two things here, this will work. So we can directly paste here. No, but I made a mistake here. So I need, so swap the items. So in this case it will work. Only in this case. So I copy that. I am going here. This will work. So left join or right join in the swap direction, that both will work. So that's all for today. Tomorrow we will come with some other problems. We will continue with that. This whole SQL things. And right now, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.